Hello everyone, my name is YIMING. My student ID is 232014441. The title of my thesis is Innovation Capability and Enterprise Competitiveness in China's Electrical Machinery and Equipment Manufacturing Industry. There are 10 sections in this presentation. This study explores how innovation capability influences competitiveness in China's electrical machinery manufacturing sector. Using data from 2018 to 2023, it applies fixed effect regression with Python and data. The results show that innovation boosts competitiveness mainly through better digital management and reduced financing constraints. This finding provides useful insight for firms and policymakers to support innovation-led growth and smarter resource allocation. In terms of research background, China's manufacturing industry faces rising labor costs, stricter environmental rules, and stronger global competition. The Made in China 2025 policy promotes high-end and smart manufacturing, with innovation as a key driver. The electrical machinery industry contributing 12.4% of total output shows strong innovation capacity with research and development (R&D) intensity research reaching 3.2% in 2023. Despite growing revenue, the industry struggles with product similarity, price competition, and weak innovation. Enhancing innovation is now crucial for maintaining competitiveness. In terms of problem statement, this study examines listed companies in China's electrical machinery industry 2018 to 2023. It explores how innovation affects competitiveness, with digital transformation as a bridge and financing pressure as a challenge. The goal is to understand how these factors support high-quality growth in a changing market. Research objectives: 1. To examine the impact of enterprise innovation capability on firm competitiveness. 2. To evaluate whether digital management mediates the relationship between enterprise innovation capability and competitiveness. 3. To investigate whether financing constraints moderate the relationship between enterprise innovation capability and competitiveness. Research questions: 1. What is the relationship between enterprise innovation capability and competitiveness? 2. What is the relationship between digital management and the linkage between enterprise innovation capability and competitiveness? 3. What is the role of financing constraints in the relationship between enterprise innovation capability and firm competitiveness? Research hypothesis: 1. The enhancement of innovation capability significantly strengthens enterprise competitiveness. 2. Digital management plays a mediating role in the relationship between innovation capability and competitiveness. 3. Financing constraints negatively moderate the relationship between enterprise innovation capability and competitiveness. This study is based on Schemberger's innovation theory, the resource-based view, the dynamic compatibility theory, and the resource dependence theory. This study uses secondary data of listed companies in China from the CSMAR database. After data cleaning, a fixed effect model was constructed. The main statistical methods applied included descriptive analysis, multicollinearity tests, the Houseman test, and the regression analysis. The study focuses on examining how R&D investment influences competitiveness, with digital management as a mediating variable and financing constraints as a moderating variable. regression analysis was conducted using Python, where data was used for data cleaning and statistical tests. Based on the three hypotheses the three models shown in the figure were development. Key variables include the dependent variable, independent variable, mediating variable, moderating variables, and cultural variables. These are my descriptive statistics, VIF test, and Houseman test. The results show that the data is reliable. There is no multicollinearity among the variables, and the fixed effect model is suitable for analysis. Now I will present the main empirical results. First, the baseline regression. RD invest shows a significant positive effect on competitiveness both before and after adding cultural variables, with p-value below 0.01. Second, in the substituting core variables model, we use alternative variables RD1 and EC1 to test the robustness. The results remain significantly positive, with p-values below 0.01, confirming the reliability of the main findings. Third, in the excluding anomalous year model, we removed the year 2020 due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The effect of RD on competitiveness remains significantly positive, with p-values below 0.01, which further strengthens the credibility of our conclusions. Fourth, in the mediating effect test, RD investment significantly improved digital management, and digital management also has a positive effect on competitiveness, with p-value below 0.05 and 0.1. This suggests that digital management partially mediates the relationship between innovation and competitiveness. Finally, in the moderating effect model, financing constraints shows a positive direct effect on competitiveness. However, the interaction term Z, defined as the product of RD and financing constraints, is significantly negative, with p-value below 0.01. This indicates that financing constraints weaken the positive impact of RD on competitiveness. The results show that innovation improves competitiveness. Supporting hypothesis 1, digital management plays a partial mediating role, which means it helps turn innovation into stronger competitiveness. Supporting hypothesis 2, in addition, financing constraints weaken the impact of innovation on competitiveness, so hypothesis 3 is also supported. This slide summarizes the contributions of the study in both theoretical and practical aspects. Theoretical contributions: it confirms that innovation improves enterprise competitiveness. Supporting Schemberger's theory, it found that digital management plays a partial mediating role, supporting the resource-based value and dynamic compatibilities theory. It also shows that financing constraints weaken the effect of innovation, aligning with resource-dependent theory. Practical contributions: the study offers three suggestions for firms making stable RD investment, accurate digital management, and ease financing constraints to improve competitiveness. The study shows that innovation enhances enterprise competitiveness, with digital management acting as a partial mediator and financing constraints weakening the effect. All three hypotheses are supported. However, there are three limitations: limited data sources, constraints in variable cost traction, and a short time span. My presentation is finished. Thank you.